Nag-lock po yung phone. Sorry po. Ang dami ko kasing sinasabi. What's up, guys? It's Darren Espanto, and since it's the start of a new decade, we're going to be looking back at a few pictures from the past decade on my Instagram. So, let's do it. So, the first picture we have here is a photo of Tita Chris and I, and honestly, until now, Tita Chris, I go to her house and I like to check up on her and Bimby, of course, and Kuya Josh. So, the next few pictures, it's a collage, and dati talaga nung baguhan po ako dito sa showbiz, lahat ng makikita kong artista nakikipicture ako. So, weird lang ngayon na nakakasama ko na sila sa shows and nakaka-duet ko na yung ibang mga paborito kong singers, of course. And naging kaibigan ko na rin po sila. So, yeah, it's crazy. So, the next star po ay isang singing contest na sinalihan ko po sa isang network sa Course Entertainment in Canada. Para po siyang American Idol for kids. And out of 14,000 auditioners, I made it to the top 6. Wow! Ito pong next na photo. Alam mo, hindi ko talaga alam kung ano yung gusto kong gawin sa buhok ko nung mga time na yun, yung mga recent photos na to. Pero, basta, andun na siya. Tapos yun yung time na uso yung mga Instagram filters, yung mga borders na ganun. Tsaka, ito po yung night na kumanta ako sa isang benefit concert sa amin sa Canada, sa Calgary, for the victims of the Typhoon Yolanda in the Philippines. Okay, the next one, this is me in grade 7, and I'm holding my saxophone. I guess I'd want to try doing it again in my spare time. Next photo is me with my classmates in junior. Hindi. Yeah, grade 10. Okay. So, junior high school. Sobrang konti lang namin sa classroom. Pero I really enjoyed being in that atmosphere kasi may mapagkokopyahan ka ng homework. De joke lang. Iba yung experience pag pupunta ka talaga sa classroom. It's me and Laika. Itsura namin dito. Mga fetus pa. Honestly, last time ko pong nakita si Laika nung Christmas special ng ABS-CBN. Hindi ko alam kung nagkaroon ba ng difference sa height namin. Hindi, kasi parehas naman kaming tumangkad. Next photo is a photo of Selena Gomez and I. So, nung pumunta po siya dito to do her revival tour, nung 2016, ako po ay naging front act niya. And it was really cool meeting her in person. Parang na-starstruck po talaga ako. And she was so chill. Ito naman pong photo na to was taken at my grade 10 graduation. First time ko pong makasuot ng toga talaga. So, feel na feel ko. Tas pula pa. So, sabi ko parang High School Musical. So, ang dami kong ginawang pictures. Ginagaya ko sina Zac Efron dun sa mga movie poster nila. Ewan ko. Pero, I felt proud of myself, of course. Sa next photo naman, ito po ay pinost ko nung birthday ni AC at talagang itsura pa namin dito. Talagang hindi ko alam kung ano. Ito naman po ay nung natanggap ko yung awards ko from the Mix Awards 2019. I was very happy po kasi dalawa po yung nakuha ko, of course, na recognitions. And I'm always so happy na nanonominate po ako sa Mix Music Awards, and I'm very thankful to everyone behind Mix for that. Sana po na-enjoy niyo po yun. And if you would like to see more fetus pictures of myself, feel free to stalk me on Instagram. Ang user ko po ay Darren Espanto. And thank you so much to Mix for having me here. And until next time, see you guys.